Hello to all the relatives, guests present in this auspicious occasion in order to celebrate my Nana Nani's surprise anniversary bash. Firstly, I would like to wish my dearest Nana and Nani a very happy anniversary with all my heart and respect. May God give them more 50 years together and a great healthy life. Today I am here to share a message for my Nana and Nani and also share some memories about them. When I think about Nana, it always comes to my mind his flamboyant personality with full of aura. He is very strong yet very sensitive. I love the bang-on attitude and the positive approach of him towards life, and the attitude speaks volumes about him. He has taught me many things in life and also have been a great influence and inspiration to me. He very well knows where to be strict and when to be sensitive. He has given me whatever I needed. He has pampered me with whatever I needed and also has been strict when I am wrong. Today, in whatever position I am standing, Nana plays a very big part in it. And I love you, Nana, for that, and I am very thankful also. Nana, I love you a lot with all my heart and I miss you a lot and a lot. Now I like to speak something about Nani too. Nani always had this simple and calm personality with all the responsibility over her head. Having that much of responsibility, she always have been very chilled out and sweet. She has always taught me many things in life, like do not waste money, use things very efficiently and use things very nicely that you have. And she also applies this in her own life. She must not have the aura like Nana, but her value speaks beyond that. Now, how can I forget my Nani's cooking? She is the best cook in the world and I crave it for now also. I can leave all the food for her Gujarati cooking. Nani, I love you a lot. Please take care of yourself and stay happy. Nani, and remember, tension levanu nahi Nani, devanu. Yet so different personality, they have managed to stay together for 50 glorious years happily with all the emotions good and bad. Face many difficulties yet strong. That makes my Nana Nani super Nana Nani. I love them a lot and I'm very sorry that I couldn't make for your anniversary. Always stay happily married as your support system. Bless me with all your blessing and I know you're always there for me. With my Nana Nani, here comes the most precious gift of life, the 4 daughters. For me, they all have been like my mother and have given me a lot of strength and courage to do things in life. They have been a great support to me. I would like everybody to give a round of applause for my mom and my Masis as they have managed to organize this great function in respect to their parents. I know all my Masi parents and relatives are very angry with me because I could not make it for the best event ever. I am very sorry and I miss you guys a lot. Love you all, and again, happy 50th marriage anniversary to my Nana and Nani and have a great time. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Bye bye. With love, Raj.